Hi friends, I've brought a new video for you. This video is going to be on Skilax Drops. Skilax Drops contains Sulfolax laxative drops in it. It's used for acute and chronic constipation. It comes in a 15 milliliter bottle. It's made by High Noon Laboratories. The price for one bottle is 41 rupees. This medication is used to treat occasional constipation. Some medications and conditions can make constipation more likely. Stool softeners such as Dosage are often the first method used for preventing and treating this type of constipation. Dosage is often used when straining to have a bowel movement should be avoided, such as after a heart attack or surgery. Dosage is a stool softener. It works by increasing the amount of water the stool absorbs in the gut, making the stool softer and easier to pass. This medication is taken by mouth, usually at bedtime. The dosage for children under 10 years is half to 1 spoonful at night, and for children under 4 years the recommended dosage is 250 micrograms per kilogram body weight, and for adults the dosage is 1 to 2 teaspoonful at night. If you're using the liquid form, measure the dose carefully using a special measuring device or spoon. Do not use a household spoon because you may not get the correct dose. If you're using the drops, measure the medication with a dropper provided or use a drop measuring spoon or device to make sure you have the correct dose. Mix the syrup, liquid or drops in 4 to 8 ounces of fruit juice, milk or infant formula to prevent throat irritation and mask a bitter taste. Some side effects of Sulfolax include stomach pain, diarrhea, cramping, irritated throat. If these problems persist or worsen, notify your doctor or pharmacist promptly. If your doctor has directed you to use this medication, remember that he or she has judged that the benefit to you is greater than the risk of side effects. Many people use this medication do not have serious side effects. I hope you like the video. Please like and share our channel, subscribe to our channel. Thank you.